Hey everyone, thank you for joining me today. Got a short video today. On the side of the house here, we're going to clean up these leaves. Going to cut down 4 or 5 inches off this ivy. I've had a lot of leaves the last 2 or 3 years that have fallen. I just really haven't cleaned them out of this ivy. So we're going to take the sticks out of this ivy, put them into some brown bags. Then after I cut the ivy down, we're going to blow all the leaves and a lot of whatever else might be in there out and bag that up as well. So I'm just going to pick up some sticks, do a little bag in here. This side of the yard, as you can see behind me right there, this side of the yard and in front used to be some really nice St. Augustine grass up until about 3 years ago. I don't really know what happened. We do have a lot of moles, and we had somebody doing some yard service for us, spraying the St. Augustine, and I think we had some army worms that came in and might have just devastated the yard. Don't really know what caused us to not have any grass in the front or on the side here. The backyard, if you guys have seen any of the other videos, the backyard still has really good St. Augustine and some Bermuda. Probably about 2/3 St. Augustine and about 1/3 Bermuda. This is a Craftsman blower right here that I've had for several years. It's a cheaper blower, but it's done me some good. The only thing that's broke on this blower for me so far has been me pulling the rope and breaking the rope off. I happened to go to a small repair shop here in town, and then he gave me a Craftsman blower just exactly like the one I have. He said, here, you can just have this one, just use it for parts. And very thankful that he just gave it to me for parts. And I took the housing off for the rope, put it on this one. Works great. Other than that, I've never had a problem with this Craftsman blower. You guys see me doing that raking right there of the leaves and into the bags. I watched some professionals do it across the street one day. Watch them bag up some leaves like that, and if you have more than 5 or 6 bags of leaves to do, doing that like that is a backbreaker, let me tell you that. Alright, I'm just going to take down some ivy for a little bit, and then try to blow out as much of this as I can and bag it up. By cutting off this top 4 or 5 inches of this ivy, able to get down into all these leaves and blow them out. As I blow these off and bag these leaves up, you can see that this is just solid ground. There's really no dirt on the top of here for any grass to grow. I'm thinking maybe towards the end of the season, maybe just mulching up some of the last leaves and leave them on the ground and see if they'll help to produce some type of soil. I wasn't able to fill these bags as much as I would have wanted to because there was just so much decomposed material that I was putting into the bag, and so the garbage collectors, the trash collectors, those guys that come and pick up the bulk, try to keep it under a certain amount of weight so that they don't have to finagle it too much. I know they got a lot of things to pick up throughout the day, so if I can just put a half a bag in here, it'd probably be easier. I want to thank you guys for watching today. God bless you. Have a great day.